feeling like it. They said out to them, they don't wouldn't let it go. Oh, I'm feeling like it. They said out to them, they don't wouldn't let it go. They don't wouldn't let it go. They don't wouldn't let it go. They don't wouldn't let it go.
Welcome to one of our favorite units at the shores.
This 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit in Perla Tower has been fully renovated with every single detail in mind, so let us take you around. Some of the views that you can enjoy from here are the sunrise over the mountains and the San Diego skyline, plus the bay and the ocean. The details in the kitchen renovation include luxury and functionality all in one.
They said out to them, they don't wouldn't let it go. Oh, I'm feeling like it. They said out to them, they don't wouldn't let it go. They don't wouldn't let it go. They don't wouldn't let it go. They don't wouldn't let it go.
We can't wait to show you this property. Give us a call.